listen and read. The flood.
Hey Lois, come and help us with our social science project. It's about Barhaven, 150 years ago. I was at the library yesterday. I've got these books and these old maps. That's interesting. The train station and square were here 150 years ago. But the zoo and the shopping centre weren't. They're modern. There were a lot of rivers in Barhaven 150 years ago. Where are they now? They're underground now, under the roads.
There's a deep flood in the square next to the cafe. We don't know why.
Hey, look at this map. 150 years ago, there was a river next to the square. Yes, that river is underground now. Maybe the river is the problem. We must tell someone. Come on. Bo, go and look. Be very quiet.
I was very quiet.
And? What was down there?
The wall is broken. The river is coming out. It was very noisy.
Excuse me. There's an underground river next to the cafe. The flood is coming from there.
Okay, thank you.
We were right. Well done, Discovery Team.